Welcome to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of houseplants. These botanical wonders, often overlooked, play a vital role in transforming our homes into verdant oases. But their talents extend far beyond mere aesthetics. Hidden within their leaves lies the remarkable ability to cleanse the very air we breathe. Join me as we explore 10 uncommon houseplants, each possessing a unique prowess for purifying their environment. From the rainforests of South America to the arid deserts of Africa, these plants have adapted to thrive in a variety of conditions. And now, they bring their remarkable resilience and air-purifying abilities into our homes, silently working to create a healthier and more vibrant living space. So, let us delve into the fascinating world of these unsung heroes of the plant kingdom and uncover the secrets to their remarkable abilities. Our journey begins with the spider plant, a familiar friend often found gracing bookshelves and windowsills. Don't let its unassuming appearance fool you, for this plant is a master of filtration, silently combating harmful pollutants in our homes. Formaldehyde, a common toxin found in furniture and building materials, is no match for the spider plant's air-purifying prowess. It acts like a sponge, absorbing these harmful compounds and rendering them harmless. But its talents don't end there. The spider plant also excels at removing xylene, another common volatile organic compound released from paints, varnishes, and even vehicle exhaust. With each passing day, this botanical marvel works tirelessly to create a healthier and more breathable environment. And as if its air-purifying abilities weren't impressive enough, the spider plant is also remarkably easy to care for, thriving in indirect sunlight with moderate watering. A true testament to nature's ingenuity, combining both beauty and practicality in one remarkable package. Our next subject is a study in resilience and quiet strength, the snake plant. Known for its striking architectural form and sword-like leaves, this botanical marvel is a master of survival, even in the most challenging conditions. But its true power lies in its nocturnal activities. While we sleep, the snake plant is hard at work, converting carbon dioxide into oxygen, a process unique to a select group of plants known as cam plants. This nocturnal gas exchange makes the snake plant an ideal bedroom companion, providing a constant supply of fresh oxygen throughout the night. Imagine waking each morning to a breath of air purified by this silent guardian, and its benefits don't end there. The snake plant is also highly effective at removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air, creating a healthier and more breathable environment for us to enjoy. The peace lily, a botanical marvel hailing from the rainforests of South America, is a beacon of tranquility and an air-purifying powerhouse. Its elegant white blooms, often mistaken for flowers, are specialized leaves known as spathes that gracefully envelop the actual flowers within. These spathes, resembling flags of peace, have made the peace lily a symbol of serenity and harmony in many cultures. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, this plant possesses a remarkable ability to cleanse the very air we breathe. Studies have shown that the peace lily excels at removing airborne mold spores, a common allergen that can trigger respiratory issues. This makes it an ideal houseplant for those sensitive to mold or living in humid environments prone to fungal growth. Beyond its ability to combat mold, the peace lily also neutralizes other harmful volatile organic compounds, contributing to a healthier and more pleasant indoor environment. Unlike many houseplants that crave direct sunlight, the peace lily thrives in shaded areas, making it a perfect inhabitant for dimly lit homes and offices. It prefers a well-draining potting mix and should be watered weekly, allowing the soil to slightly dry out between waterings. Overwatering can be detrimental to the peace lily, leading to root rot and other issues. A telltale sign of overwatering is the drooping of its leaves, which will quickly perk up once the plant has had a chance to dry out. Yellowing leaves, on the other hand, can indicate excessive sunlight exposure. Finding the right balance of light and water is key to ensuring your peace lily thrives, and continues to purify your air. With its elegant beauty and air-purifying prowess, the peace lily is a welcome addition to any indoor space, bringing a touch of the rainforest's tranquility into our homes. The Boston fern, with its cascading fronds of vibrant green, evokes images of lush, prehistoric forests. This ancient plant, a living fossil dating back millions of years, has long graced homes and gardens with its air-purifying properties and timeless elegance. Native to humid tropical regions, the Boston fern thrives in environments that mimic its natural habitat. It prefers bright, indirect light and high humidity, making it well-suited for bathrooms, kitchens, or humidifiers. One of the Boston fern's most remarkable abilities is its effectiveness in removing formaldehyde from the air. Formaldehyde, a common indoor pollutant released by furniture, building materials, and household products, can irritate the eyes, nose, and throat. The Boston fern acts as a natural air filter, absorbing formaldehyde and other harmful volatile organic compounds through its leaves, leaving the air cleaner and healthier for us to breathe. To keep your Boston fern thriving, it's crucial to provide it with adequate humidity. Misting its fronds regularly with water, or placing the pot on a tray filled with pebbles and water can help to increase humidity levels around the plant. Brown or crispy fronds are often a sign of low humidity and can be remedied by increasing the moisture in the air. Additionally, the Boston fern prefers consistently moist but not waterlogged soil. Allowing the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings is ideal. During the growing season, from spring to summer, the Boston fern benefits from a diluted fertilizer every few weeks to support its growth. With proper care and attention to its humidity needs, the Boston fern will reward you with its lush foliage and air-purifying benefits, transforming your home into a verdant oasis. The rubber plant, with its large, glossy leaves and upright stature, symbolizes abundance and prosperity. Native to Southeast Asia, this resilient plant thrives in various conditions, making it popular among plant enthusiasts. Beyond aesthetics, the rubber plant is a champion air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, found in many household items, is effectively absorbed by the rubber plant's large leaves. This makes it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and spaces where we spend significant time. Its air-purifying ability and low-maintenance nature create a healthier indoor environment. Thriving in bright, indirect light, it can tolerate lower light conditions, making it versatile. Water moderately, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings to prevent root rot. Use a well-draining potting mix to ensure optimal drainage and prevent waterlogging. With its resilience and easy care, the rubber plant is a rewarding addition to any home. The aloe vera, a succulent native to the Arabian Peninsula, is a familiar sight in homes around the world. Its fleshy, serrated leaves hold a gel-like substance renowned for its soothing properties. For centuries, this gel has been used to treat burns, cuts, and skin irritations. But the aloe vera's talents extend beyond first aid. This unassuming plant is also a natural air purifier, removing harmful toxins from our homes. Formaldehyde and benzene, found in cleaning products and paints, are no match for the aloe's cleansing abilities. Thriving in arid conditions, the aloe vera is a low-maintenance houseguest. It requires minimal watering, preferring its soil to dry out completely between drinks. A sunny windowsill with bright indirect light is perfect for this resilient succulent to flourish. English ivy, with its cascading vines and distinctive lobed leaves, is a familiar sight in gardens and woodlands. This evergreen climber, native to Europe and Western Asia, clings to walls, trees, and fences with its aerial rootlets. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, English ivy purifies the air we breathe. Studies show it's effective at removing airborne fecal matter particles. These particles can pose a health risk, especially to children and those with respiratory conditions. English ivy thrives in cool, moist conditions, ideal for bathrooms and kitchens. It prefers bright, indirect light and benefits from regular misting. For centuries, English ivy has added verdant elegance to walls, trellises, and buildings. Its air-purifying qualities and low-maintenance nature make it a popular houseplant. The bamboo palm, with its slender cane-like stems and delicate feather-like fronds, evokes images of tranquil tropical forests. Native to the rainforests of Mexico and Central America, this elegant palm thrives in the dappled shade of the forest understory. But the bamboo palm's beauty is more than just superficial. This elegant plant is a natural air purifier, effectively filtering out harmful toxins like benzene and trichloroethylene. These chemicals, often found in common household products like paints, varnishes, and cleaning supplies, can pose a significant health risk if allowed to accumulate in the air we breathe. Despite its delicate appearance, the bamboo palm is a surprisingly resilient and adaptable houseplant. It prefers bright, indirect light and well-draining soil, and while it enjoys regular watering, it's essential to avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. The bamboo palm's graceful form and air-purifying qualities make it an ideal choice for creating a sense of tranquility and well-being in the home. Its slender stems and delicate fronds add a touch of tropical elegance to any room, while its ability to filter out harmful toxins promotes a healthier and more refreshing indoor environment. Beyond its aesthetic and air-purifying benefits, the bamboo palm is also a relatively low-maintenance houseplant. It thrives in bright, indirect light and requires moderate watering, making it a manageable addition to any home, even for those new to plant parenthood. Whether gracing a sunny living room, adding a touch of serenity to a bedroom, or purifying the air in a home office, the bamboo palm is a versatile and rewarding houseplant that brings together beauty, health, and a touch of the tropics. The red-edged Dracaena, also known as the Madagascar dragon tree, is a striking plant with sword-like leaves edged in a vibrant crimson. Native to the island of Madagascar, this resilient species has adapted to thrive in a variety of environments, from arid deserts to humid rainforests. But its beauty is not just for show. The red-edged Dracaena is a remarkably effective air purifier, particularly adept at removing harmful chemicals. Xylene, trichloroethylene, and formaldehyde, often found in varnishes, paints, and cleaning products, are no match for this plant's cleaning prowess. Fortunately for those of us without a green thumb, the red-edged Dracaena is surprisingly low maintenance. It thrives in bright, indirect light, making it an ideal choice for a well-lit living room or office. Watering is also straightforward. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings, ensuring that the roots don't become waterlogged. With a little care and attention, your red-edged Dracaena will reward you with cleaner air and a touch of exotic beauty in your home. The Golden Pothos, with its heart-shaped leaves marbled with shades of green and gold, is a familiar sight in many homes. This resilient vine, native to the Solomon Islands, is a master of adaptation, thriving in a wide range of conditions. It's this hardiness that makes the Golden Pothos an excellent choice for even the most inexperienced plant owner. But don't let its unassuming nature fool you. This plant is a silent guardian against indoor air pollution. Formaldehyde, a common indoor air pollutant found in furniture, carpets, and even cigarette smoke, is effectively neutralized by the Golden Pothos. This makes it a valuable addition to homes and offices, particularly those with new furniture or recent renovations. The Golden Pothos isn't fussy about its environment. It tolerates low light conditions remarkably well, though it thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. Water only when the soil is dry to the touch, and your Golden Pothos will reward you with cleaner, healthier air for years to come. From the vibrant red-edged Dracaena to the adaptable Golden Pothos, these remarkable plants offer a natural and effective way to improve the air we breathe. They remind us that even within the confines of our homes, we can create a healthier and more harmonious relationship with the natural world. So why not introduce one of these air-purifying wonders into your own home? You'll not only be adding a touch of natural beauty, but also taking a significant step towards a cleaner and healthier living environment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on creating a healthier home environment. See you next time.